Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get cheaper deals on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to save a bit of money when it comes to ordering food on DoorDash. How do you actually go ahead and get some cheaper deals? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first hop onto our DoorDash app. Next, we're going to go into the home page. And then from the home page here, we're going to go ahead and click on this filter. So you can see here, there's a filter where you can organize it by pickup, dash, bash, and deals. I normally like clicking on deals. So what this is going to do is that it's going to filter out all the restaurants that aren't offering some sort of deal. So for Nana Sushi, you can see there's a buy one, get free. For the Great Greek Mediterranean Grill, it's $5 off, $25 order. For Archie's Thai, it's buy one, get one free. So when you click into one of these restaurants, you can see the items. So underneath deals and benefits, you can see the items where it's able to do buy one, get one free. So if we click on see items, it's actually going to filter which items are buy one, get one free. So if we go back, we can check on it again. So 25% off selected items on Urbane Cafe. So if we click on this, again, we can click on see items for the 25% off. And you can see which certain items are 25% off from this restaurant. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get cheaper deals on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.